I did it! I did it! Oh my God! Woo! What's happening, guys? We're back at the track today in the Challenger. Gunning for that 12-second pass. I don't know if I'll be able to get it today. There's a super strong headwind and it seems to be dying out. But we're gonna make some good passes here, see if we can beat that 13.08. Let's see what we can reach today. I'm so excited. Hit that subscribe button if you're new. Welcome to the channel. It left great. It chirped him a little bit through first and through second, but other than that, it pretty much hooked the whole way. I left on it a little harder on the RPMs, and it didn't look like the wind was blowing that much. It seemed to be pulling the whole way through, so I don't know. Thanks, man.
Yep.
1309. 09. Damn it. That's alright. Maybe we'll get better next pass. 1.93 to the 60 foot. 13.09. Ah, a little bit of wind, I guess.
This is Josh House, 2015 Dodge Challenger.
That one spun a little bit. Not the best pass. I wasn't really up on the RPMs very high. Thanks, man.
Yep.
Okay, well, I spun. I spun. And I did it. I blew, oh my God. 1302. I spun and did a 189 60 foot with the wind blowing. That's the best 60 foot this car has had, and the best ET with still the same mile an hour. Oh my God, 1302. That is ridiculous. If I wouldn't have spun, it would have been a 12-second pass. We are coming off that 1302 pass. This car has a 12-second pass in it. I'm gonna try and stage as perfect as I can, get up on the RPMs as high as I can. I'm gonna try and not get on my reaction time, not worry about it. I'm just gonna try and get this car in as a 12. I don't care if it's 12.99999. I do not care. I want and I will make a 12-second pass. I don't think that one was it. I was up on the converter a little too much. I think I could feel myself creeping just ever so slightly while the bulbs were going down. It felt pretty good, but I don't think it was a 12-second pass. Thanks, man.
Yep.
1304. Not quite. 190 60 foot. 1900 to the 60 foot. I lost just a hair in the 60 foot. I need to try and stage a little bit better, I think. 1304. A little slower than the 1302, but we're close. Come on, 12.
Josh House. I'll be in this 2015 Challenger.
pretty bad on that one. Took a glance down at my mile an hour just as I was crossing the line. I think I might have gotten off of it, but it looked a little bit lower. I think it was around 100. I know I might have gotten off of it a little before I looked, but it left hard after it was wheel hopping, so there might be a chance, but it hopped pretty bad.
Thanks, man. How great you are and everything, Mike, and that you built.
I did it! I did it! Oh my god! Woo! Oh, 1295! 1295! 187 to the 60 foot. Oh my god! 1295! Oh my god! I knew after a wheel hopped. After a wheel hopped, it just went bang. Went.
You had a little bit of wind, and then at the end it died down.
1295. Oh my god! Holy shit! 1295. Oh my god! Holy shit. 187 to the 60 foot. 824 to the 8th. 1079 to the 1,000 foot. 1295 and 104. That's so great. Oh, I did it. I did it. Oh my god. 1295. This car's first ever 12-second pass, and actually it seems to be starting to rain now as well, so testing is over. Thank you all for the support. It's been ridiculous the past couple of videos, from putting this rear end in, and the video of the first quarter mile time where I smashed my personal record the first time with a 1308, and now I smashed it again with the 1295. I'm so excited. This car is blowing my mind lately, and I can't wait to see where it goes from here. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're excited that this car is finally in the 12 seconds, hit that subscribe button for me. And as always, I will catch you in the next video. Have a fantastic day. We'll see you later.